Good morning! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning! Today is Danny's mom's birthday. So, pupunta kami sa bahay nila. And yeah, it's already 11:15 and by 12, kailangan na namin umalis. I have this dress that I got from, I forgot, siguro Zafo or maybe Romwe or Shein. Isa doon sa mga doon, guys. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero, yan. Nasuot ko na to sa video ko one time eh. Yeah, ito yung tinahi ko din. Kasi mahaba siya sa akin. Tinahi ko yung dito sa baba. Anyway, magme-makeup lang ako. Oh my gosh. Mahuhulog sana siya. Magme-makeup lang ako. And I will be wearing the same makeup that I wore yesterday sa gender reveal party. I had so much fun, and now I have a tripod courtesy of Mayora Roslyn. Thank you so much, Mayora. Hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko kasi isi-straighten ko na naman siya. Mag-apply na naman ako ng heat. Or maybe not. We'll see. Okay, I will go ahead and get ready. Si Danny Boy naliligo na, so siguro mga 10 minutes tapos na yun. I am done. Same lipstick as kahapon. Lipstick as kahapon. Hindi ako naglagay ng mascara. And then, Camellia na blush. Are you done, babe?
Yeah, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We'll let go in about 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Okay. We're off. You look really good, babe. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Hello, vlog. It's raining, guys. Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Alright, off me now. Happy birthday.
Sinisipon ako, babe. We will get the cake and then I will go to their house. And I will eat some good food. Yummers. We will stay there until tonight. We will eat a lot of food for sure. Yeah. Ulan, guys. Kukunin ni Dan yung cake dyan sa St. Peter's Cafe. Coffee shop? St. Peter's Baker House and Coffee Shop. Nagpaano kami ng cake nung... When was it? Wednesday? Ata yun. Nagpaano kami ng cake, tapos kukunin namin today, obviously. And yeah. Dyan kasi lagi bumibili ng cake ng mama niya. Sabi niya, dyan na lang tayo kasi for sure magugustuhan niya yun dyan. Ako pa yung nagpili ng mga ano, yung... Kasi parang build your own cake something. Like, ako nagpili ng flavor, tapos anong klaseng cake. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano. Basta may caramel yun. And I love caramel, you guys. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya pagdating niya dan. Mabilis lang yun. Anong oras na ba? Oh, wala pa nga 12. Sabi niya, 12 daw. Ano, ipipick up. Here we go, here we go. Ooh, that looks good. Yummers. What did you put, babe? Let me see. What did you write? Happy birthday, mommy! Happy birthday to you! Sana ma-film mo yung food, babe. Can you film the food?
You film.
We're here. We're the early birds. Someone's here. Who are they? Maybe Ant. Sa labas kami kakain mamaya. Bella! Are you resting, Bella? Look at your tail. You have a doll. Yay. Are you cold? Hello, we're home. Dan is not naked. We're so tired, guys. I'm tired. You're tired, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, nandun pa lang kami sa bahay ng mama niya. What? Oh, sorry. I took my makeup off. Hindi ako nag-wash ng mukha kasi nga sobrang pagod na pagod ako. Or I'm just lazy. I use this. Innisfree na olive oil cleansing tissue. Ano siya? Oily siya. Nag-wipe na ako ng ano. Winipe ko siya ng tissue. Pero oily siya. Kailangan ko lang i-edit yung thumbnail ko para sa video tonight. And we're watching Married at First Sight. Yung pinakabagong season nila. Yes, that's the ganap. We will have some watermelon. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko to slice. We'll see. Dali lang naman siguro to. Hindi naman ito matigas, diba? Kaya ko to. You want to slice, babe? Yes, ma'am. Naka-headphones. What time is it, babe? Hello? My video will be up in less than 10 minutes. I don't think I know how to do this, babe. Ooh, okay, I got it. I got it. This looks dangerous. Dangerous. I have a mess in here, but... Hi. Halina, babe! You need to eat it in here. It's very juicy.
Okay.
Kain tayo. Are you filming?
No.
Careful, babe. Good afternoon, guys! It is Monday. Hindi ako maglilinis today kasi yung bahay okay pa naman. Hindi naman siya ganun kadumi. I will do laundry though. Tapos, I will iron Dan's clothes as well. He didn't go to work today. Day off niya today. Nagpunta siya ng pub. Kasama yung friends niya. Nanood sila ng Super Bowl. Pretty sure. Yes, Super Bowl nga. Sabi niya, lagi niya daw dini-day off yung Super Bowl kasi nanonood talaga siya noon. Kaya ayun, nanonood sila. Kasama yung kanyang best friend. At saka yung isa pa niyang friend. Lang ako, maglo-laundry. Ako. So, let's do that. Kumusta na kayo, guys? Okay lang ba ang mga buhay-buhay? Ang dami na pala ng laundry namin. Last time nag-laundry ako Friday. Oh, yeah. Yun pala talaga yung schedule ko, Friday at saka Monday. Kasi, diba? Clothes for weekend. Nakalimutan ko yung mga schedule ko noon. Meron ako mga ganyan, yung mga schedule. Yeah, so Friday para ma-wash lahat ng ni Dan, yung mga niya, mga work clothes niya para ready siya for Monday. Nakalimutan ko, matutulog na sana kami kagabi. Tapos, nakalimutan ko, hindi pala ako nakapag-iron. Buti na lang, off siya today. Kasi ngayon lang ako mag-iron. Sobrang pagod na pagod kami kahapon. Nagpunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Birthday ng mama niya, diba, kahapon. And yeah, umuwi kami na pagod kami. Siguro because of the weather as well. It was raining like almost whole day kahapon. Ngayon, the weather is really not that bad. It's cold outside for sure. Kasi nga, nandito nga lang ako sa loob. Malamig nga. Pretty sure sa labas, malamig din. And, very windy sa labas. Yung mga, yung mga bamboo niya, gumagano'n, nakakaloka. Anyway, a lot of you guys have been asking about this. Yung bracelet ko, nawala kasi yung cross. Nawala siya nung nagstay kami sa City Garden Hotel sa Makati. Yun, naputo siya. Hindi ko alam kung kailan. Nung ginawa nila yung surprise bridal shower, dun siya nawala. I think, basta pag uwi na lang namin ng hotel, parang napansin ko nawala yung cross. So, yeah. Kung nakita ko lang sana yung cross, pwede ko siya ibalik. Kaya lang wala eh. Hindi ko nakita yung cross. So, I'm pretty sure nawala siya while... Hindi naman pretty sure. Pero, that was the day na nagpunta kami ng Divisoria. Tapos, nagpunta kami sa Tresma. So, baka... Nandun siya sa Manila yung cross ko. So, hindi ko siya sinusuot kasi nga nawala yung cross. Pero today, I decided to wear it again. Naka-makeup nga pala ako kasi baka i-film namin ni Dan yung taste test ng Munch Pack na na-receive ko. Gustong-gusto ko nakainin yun, guys. Kasi ang daming chips. Alam niyo naman ako, gustong-gusto ko ng mga chips. Kaya lang weekend, sobrang busy. Nagpunta kami kinakat ng Sabado. Tapos nung Linggo, kahapon, nagpunta kami sa mama niya. So, whole day kaming wala Saturday at saka sa Sunday. So, yeah. Siguro pag uwi niya, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras siya uuwi today. Hindi siya maglalasing today kasi he's driving. So, he will just have few drinks na okay pa din mag-drive. So, sana pagdating niya, mag-go siya sa filming ng video na yun. Kapag ayaw niya talaga, I will film it. And I'm gonna be alone. Mas prefer ko sana ako nandun siya kasi mahilig sa mga pagkain yun. Alam niyo naman. Anyway, mag-edit lang ako ng video. And siguro after ko mag-edit, mag-iron ako ng... You know what? I should do that right now. I'm just gonna iron his clothes right now. Hi, babe! Good.
Good.
I'm filming you. you.
I
Did you know?
I knew you'd probably do something.
We finished filming the taste test of all the food, yummers. And that was with my... Thank you, babe. Daming food, guys. Looky! Sobrang dami. Meron talaga akong nilagay dito na ano, na candy. Kasi hindi ko siya naubusin. Kailangan na nag-taste test.
Your brothers would have loved this. They would love doing this.
They will. We will reseal some of it. Kasi obviously, we cannot finish it all
Otherwise, I don't have to worry
today.
about too much. They got already packaged like that, actually.
Yeah, I could put those in a jar. Thank you, babe. This is our lolly and chocolate jar. So, marami dito. Nilagay ko dito yung mga nakapacket. And then, nandito pa yung... Meron na lang. Hala. Hala, babe. Did you finish all the chocolate in here? Did you finish it last night? Anyway, it's full again. It is full again. Sabi pa niya, itago ko daw. Pag tinago ko naman, nakikita din naman niya. Hindi kami talaga nag... Oops, may tawag siya. I have another puzzle, guys. So we will destroy this puzzle that I have. I know a lot of you will be like, frame it, but we don't want to frame it. Maybe if we find something really, really beautiful, we will. But this, yeah, like not special, he said. He said it's not special enough. And I agree. So let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
Hello! Oh my gosh, it's holding on.
That's pretty.
It's holding on to its dear life. Oh my god.
That was fun.
That feels nice. That was fun.
If I only get the box, maybe just push it down.
Can you give me the other puzzle, babe? This is right there. Ooh, wow. Okay. It's the same, 1,000 pieces.
Yeah, but how many?
I'm not sure how big. It looks hard.
Looks higher, yeah. But...
Yeah, let's go. Look it. Okay, let's do this. Meron akong... Ooh, hindi kasi alam ni Dan kung ano kakainin niya for dinner. Hindi ko din alam kasi pareho kami mabusog. Nag-film kami kanina ng bunch pack. And pareho kami busog. So, hindi pa namin feel kung ano kakainin namin. Pero, kakain naman kami ng dinner. Meron na maglumpia dyan na iniwan ni Roslyn dito. Thank you, Roslyn. Okay, mag-start ako sa puzzle na ito. Obviously, hindi ko siya matatapos today. But, hey. Yung unang ginagawa ko is sineseparate ko yung mga edges. And then, like, while getting the edges, parang i-ano ko din sila, i-flip ko din sila on the right side. So, yeah, while flipping, I will separate the edges. And, yun yung aking ginagawa. Ito yung dinner namin. Yan kay Dan yan. Ito yung akin. May rice, of course. Sa kanya wala. Ito yung iniwan ni Roslyn dito. Thank you, Roslyn. I will eat mine with ketchup. Yummers, kain. Oh, I thought it's over. We're watching this. Married at First Sight. Hello, babe. His runaway bride. She hasn't come back yet. Oh, poor Andrew. Nood kami niyan. And I am snacking my ubi halaya. Yummers! Malapit na siya maubos. Yes! Guys, matutulog na kami. Si Dan, nasa bed na. Tapos lang maligo, nagpunta agad sa bed. Tumakbo kasi siya. Sobrang windy sa labas. As in, sobra. And bukas, pupunta kami sa outdoor cinema. So, manonood kami ng movie sa labas. Outdoor siya. So, para kami nagpipiknik and gagamitin namin for the first time itong Port Power na Dan blanket. Wait, there. Port Power blanket. First time ito gagamitin. As in, kanina pa niya tinanggal yung tag. Ganyan sa Dan. Piniprepare niya talaga yung mga gamit para bukas. Kahit na magtatrabaho pa naman siya during the day. Tapos yung cinema is sa gabi. So, yeah. Mahilig siya sa ganyan. Mag-organize. Nandito na din yung, lalagyan namin ng food namin. Itong taong to. And then, I will bring water. Kasi kailangan ko talaga ng tubig sa bedside. Anyway, I'll go ahead and go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you tomorrow. Do not forget to give good night. Bye!